Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can create Poshmark account on your device. In order to create an account, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and also make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. Without any further delay, let's get started. So to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up your web browser, on the search box type in the link that is www.poshmark.com. I'll also make sure to drop the link on my description box below. So after you type in the link, you'll be taken to its official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're on this page, in the upper right hand side corner, you'll be able to see two different options, that is login and sign up. If you already have an account, then click on the login button and then sign in into your account. But if you want to create an account, then tap on the sign button located right at the bottom. Next page, you'll be able to see multiple options, different method to sign up for Poshmark. You can either continue with your Facebook, continue with Google account, continue with your Apple ID. Along with that, you can also use your email address. Please select the method whichever is convenient for you. For this video, I'm going to go with the emails. In order to begin with the creation or enrollment, you need to first of all provide in your first name, last name, email. You also need to create a username and then create a password. Select your gender and the country of your residence. In case if you have an invite code, then you can do that as well just by tapping on have an invite code, and it will make it a lot easier to sign up for Poshmark account. So quickly enter in all of these information. Once you're done filling up the form, click on the continue button located right at the bottom. Next page, you'll need to enter in your phone number. So type in your phone number and then click on the continue button. Now you'll be asked to verify your phone number. For that, a verification code will be sent to an SMS. You receive the verification code right over here, enter in and then click on the verify button. Next page, if the information that you've provided is valid, then you'll be asked to review all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, tap on the confirm button and then you've successfully created Poshmark account. In this way, you can create Poshmark account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.